Hey guys, I got this armrest cover from Wigoo that would fit your Model 3 and Model Y Tesla. So right now I have a 2026 Model Y Juniper, and they sent me this to try it out, which is pretty awesome. So it's an armrest cover, so it looks like it's vacuum sealed. Open it up. So this is how they look like. It's pretty nice, really soft. See how it goes in the car. So this is how it looks like. So basically I'll just put this on top of this, and it's supposed to protect your armrest, and it's actually really soft. And then you just have to align the seam or the stitching. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. Let's look at closer look. It's really nice, and it's soft. It's nice in the elbow. Usually while using FSD, you don't really have to do anything but just put your elbow right here, and it's way softer than the stock armrest. The stitching, and I like how it just blends in to your interior. Pretty cool. I think it's a good buy for me. We go.